In today's video, I am going to teach you how to post a review on a Facebook business page. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are on Facebook, go to facebook.com if needed and switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important if you want to leave the review while using that page instead of your personal profile. After that, move to the Search Facebook field at the top of the screen. Type in the name of the business that you want to review. As the search results appear, look through them carefully and select the correct business. This will take you directly to that business page. Once you are on the business page, find the action bar near the top area of the page. In that section, click on More to open additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Reviews. This will open the review section for that business page. When the review prompt appears, Facebook will ask whether you recommend the business. Choose Yes if you recommend them, or choose No if you do not. Select the option that best matches your experience. Next, click into the text box provided and type your review. Keep your comments clear and specific. You can briefly describe your experience with the business, mention the service you received, or explain what stood out to you. If your experience was not positive, write your feedback in a respectful and direct way. Before you publish anything, take a moment to review your recommendation and the written feedback you entered. Make sure everything looks accurate and says exactly what you want to share. This is a good time to fix any typing errors or make small changes to your wording. When your review is ready, click Post to publish it. Your review will then appear on the business page, where other Facebook users can read it. That is the full process for posting a review on a Facebook business page. Follow these steps anytime you want to share your experience and help others learn more about a business before they decide to visit or make a purchase. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.